Hello children, welcome to Math Park. In today's video, we are going to solve area and perimeter of plane figures, exercise 20B. And this is going to be solved in 3 parts. So we are going to start with the part 1 where we are going to solve first 10 questions. So children, if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So let us take a quadrilateral ABCD wherein the diagonal is 30 centimeter long and the perpendiculars from other two vertices. So for perpendicular from B, let us take this is BE is a perpendicular and which is perpendicular BE is say 19 centimeter and another perpendicular from vertex D, which is 11 centimeter. And we are asked to find the area of this quadrilateral. Now we know that the quadrilateral, the diagonal of a quadrilateral divides it into two triangles, and the area of a triangle is half base. So if I have to find the area of this quadrilateral AB, so we have two triangles with the same base. See, let us write area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle A. Now, area of triangle ABC is half AC into DE plus is half AC into, let us take this as DF into DF. Now, wherein this half AC is common, so we will first put the value. So we have half of 30 times BE is 19 plus half of AC, which is again 30 times DF, which is 11. So half 30 can be taken common, which we can simplify here itself. We have 15 and 2 15s are. So this 15 can be taken common. In bracket, we have 19 plus 11 and 19 plus 11 is 9 plus 1, 10 and this is 30. So it is 15 times 30, which is 15 3s are 45, 450 centimeter square or square centimeter is the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, so just see that they are on the common base and we just add the areas of two triangles. Question number 2, the diagonals of a quadrilateral are 16 centimeter and 13 centimeter. If they intersect each other at right angles, find the area of a quadrilateral. Now, since the diagonals, we have D1 is equal to 16 centimeter and D2 is equal to 13 centimeter and they are intersecting each other at right angles. So this could be either square, a rhombus or a kite. So since they are only intersecting, we cannot say that it is a rhombus or a square. Okay. So only intersecting. So in case of kite, they intersect at right angles. Whereas in case of square and rhombus, they bisect. So area of this quadrilateral is going to be half product of diagonals as it is intersecting at right angles. So area is equal to half of D1 into D2. So let us put the values. Half of diagonal 1 is 16 and diagonal 2 is 13. So we have 2 8s and 13 times 8. And 2 8s are 16 and 13 times 8. 8 3s are 24. 2 8 1 8 plus 2 10. 104 square centimeter is the area of this quadrilateral. Question number 3, calculate the area of quadrilateral ABCD where angle ABD is 90 degree and triangle BCD. We know that the quadrilateral is made up of two triangles, that is diagonal divides it into two triangles. So let us draw a right triangle ABD. So we have ABD is a right triangle where AD is 26 centimeter and then we have an equilateral triangle BCD. So this is how ABCD is a quadrilateral. Equilateral triangle BCD, we each side has 24 centimeters. So we get this as 24 centimeters and you are asked to find the area. Now to find the area of the quadrilateral, we need to find area of these two triangles wherein we don't know AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, we find AB is equal to square root of 26 square, which is hypotenuse, minus 24 square, that is 676 minus 576, which is root of 100, and that is 10 centimeter. This is how we got AB as 10 centimeter. Now we know all the sides. Let us find the area. No, so area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now, ABD is a right triangle wherein BD is a base and AB is a height. So, this is half base, that is 24 into height, which is 10, plus BCD is an equilateral triangle which is root 3 by 4 side square, where side is 24. So, 24 times 24. 2 5s are 10. 24 times 5, this is 120. 4 6 are 24. 24 into 6 is 144. Root 3 value, we can take 1.73. Multiply this, we get 2 6 3 4 12. So 49.12. So we get 249.12. 120 plus 249, we get 369.12 square centimeter is the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. Got it? The area of a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 32 centimeter, AD is equal to 24, angle A 90 degrees. So let us draw one right triangle where angle A is a right angle and AB is equal to 32 centimeter and ABCD. So let us and AD is 24. So we have, since angle A is given as 90 degree, AB, let us this be C and this is D. So this is an isosceles triangle over here. So BC is equal to CD. This is 52 centimeter and this is 52 centimeter. And you are given AD is 24 centimeter. So if I find BD, we will be able to find the area of this triangle. So let us find BD using Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, you get BD, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to square root of 32 square plus 24 square. So 32 square, you get it as 1024 and 24 square is 576. Let us add this to 576 plus root 1024. 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. And then we get this as 1600, and root of 1600 is nothing but 40. So we got this BD as 40 centimeter. Now we will be finding the area of this quadrilateral wherein we have to find the area of BCD by Heron's formula because we don't know the altitude over here. So we will use Heron's formula to find the area of triangle BCD, and area of triangle ABD is easy. Area of ABD is nothing but half of base, which is 24, into height, which is 32. So this we get as 2 ones and 2 12s and 12 times 32. 12 times 32, you get 384. 384 square centimeter is the area of ABD. Let us find the area of, now for this triangle, we will use Heron's formula. So we'll find the semi-perimeter. S is equal to 52 plus 52 plus 40 upon 2. So 52 plus 52 is 104. 104 plus 40 is 144. 144 divided by 2 is 72 centimeter is the semi-perimeter. Use the formula, Heron's formula, area of triangle BCD is equal to square root of S bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is your A, B and C. So put the values. The semi-perimeter is 72 bracket 72 minus 52 into 72 minus 52 again one side. Another side is 72 minus 40. So simplify, you get 72 into 52 minus 72 minus 52 is 20, again into 20, and again this is 2, 4 minus 7 minus 4 is 3, so 32. Okay, now let us see that 20 and 20 already has a pair, so we are not going to do anything over here. So 72 can be written as 2 times 36. This can be written as 2 times 36. Let this be 20 and 20 as it is, and 32 is nothing but 16 times 2. Now 20 and 20, when it comes out, it is just 120. 36 ka square root is 6. Again 16 ka square root is 4. And from these two pairs, we will just take 1, 2 outside. So let us find it. 4 2s are 8, 8 6s are 48. 48 into 2 is 96, so 960. So we get this as, we get the area of this triangle as 960 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of ABCD. So area of ABCD will be just adding the areas of these two triangles, that is 384 plus 960. So we get this as 1344 square centimeter. Okay. So this is your final answer. The area of this quadrilateral is 1344 square centimeter. Okay, let's move on to question number 5. The perimeter of a rectangular field is 3 by 5 kilometer. If the length of the field is twice its width, find the area of a rectangle in square units. So let the width be W only. So let us take the width. Let width be W. And the length is twice width. So length is twice W. And they are given the perimeter is 3 by 5. So perimeter is equal to twice length plus breadth. So which is twice W plus 2W, and which is equal to 3 upon 5 kilometer, 3 by 5 kilometer. So W plus 2W is 3W, 2 times 3W is equal to 3 by 5. Twice length plus breadth is the perimeter, which is 3 by 5. So 2 3s are, it is 6W is equal to 3 upon 5. So you get W is equal to 3 upon 5, and this 6 comes down. 3 2s are, so which we get as 1 upon 10 kilometer is the width. So if the width is 1 by 10 kilometer, then length is equal to 3 times width. Sorry, 2 times width, that is 2 times 1 by 10, which is 1 upon 5 kilometer is the width. Now you are asked to find the area of a rectangle in square meters. So we need to convert this kilometers to first meters. So 1 by 10 kilometer will be how many meters? So converting kilometers to meters, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. We'll have to multiply by 1000. So this becomes 1 upon 10 times 1000, so which is 100 meters. And the length is 1 by 5 times 1000, so which is 5 2s are 200. So this is 200 meters. This is how we got the dimensions in meters now. We are asked to find the area of the field. So area of field now is equal to length into breadth, which is 100 times 200, which is 20,000 square meters is the area of this field. Got it?
Rectangular plot with the length 85 meter and width 60 meter is to be led with the grass, leaving 5 meters ka border. So this is the plot where the grass is to be led. So wherein we have the width as 5 meters. So the length of the inner rectangle becomes 85 minus 10, that is 75 meters. And 60 minus 10, which is 50 meters. So area of grass or area of the plot which is led with the grass is equal to 50 times 75, which is 75, 2 5 5s are 25, 2 carry 5 7s are 35 plus 2 37, 3750 square meters is the plot where the grass is being led.
The length and the breadth of the rectangle are 6 and 4 centimeter respectively. Find the height of the triangle whose base is 6 centimeter and the area is 3 times that of a rectangle. So area of rectangle, we know the dimensions of the rectangle, which is 6 times 4, that is 24 square centimeter. And then area of a triangle, we are asked to find the height of a triangle whose base is 6. So base of triangle is equal to 6 centimeter. Let the height be h. So height is equal to h, and we are given that the area of the triangle is 3 times. So we have area of rectangle is equal to 3 times area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to 3 times area of rectangle. So 3 times you have area of a rectangle. So area of rectangle, which we have already calculated. Area of a triangle is half base, which is 6 into height, which we don't know, is 3 times 24 is the area of a rectangle. So 2 3s are 6. So h is equal to 3 times 24 upon 3. So this 3 and 3 got cancelled. 24 centimeter is the height of the triangle whose base is 6. Got it? Moving to question number 8. How many tiles each of 400 centimeter square will be needed to pave a footpath, which is how many? Which is 2 meters wide, which surrounds a grass plot which is 25-meter long and 13-meter wide. So there is a grass plot on this land, and the area of each tile is 400 centimeters square, which is needed to pave a footpath, which is this is 2 meter long. Okay, and surrounds the grass plot, which is 25-meter long. The grass plot is 25-meter long and 13-meter wide. Okay, now we need to find the area of this path, because the tiles are to be put on the path. So we need to find the dimensions of the outer rectangle. So this is 2 meter wide. So 25 plus 4, this 2 plus 2. So this becomes 29-meter outer rectangle. And the width of the rectangle is 13 plus 4, which is 17-meter. So we now, how many tiles each of this will be needed to pave a footpath? Okay. So we find area of footpath is equal to our area of outer rectangle, that is 29 times 17, minus area of the inner one, which is 25 times 13. Multiply 29 times 17, you have to calculate, children. So 29 times 17, you get this as 493, minus 25 times 13, we get this as 325, and 493 minus 325, you get this as 168 square meters is the area of a plot. Now the tile is 400 each area, the area of each tile is 400 centimeters square, and the dimensions of the area we are given in square meters. So remember, the unit has to be same. So we will convert the square meters into centimeters first. So how do we convert? 1 meter square is 1 meter times 1 meter. So 1 meter is 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So which is 10,000 centimeter square is 1 meter square. So if I have to convert this square meter to centimeter square, we need to multiply by 10,000. So this is how this becomes 1681234 square centimeter. Now we are asked how many tiles. So number of tiles is equal to area of path divided by area of tiles. So number of tiles needed is equal to area of footpath divided by area of each tile. Area of footpath divided by area of each tile. So this is 1680000 divided by 400. Let us simplify this. So 4 4s are 16 and 4 2s are 8 and these two zeros. So we need 4,200 tiles are required to pave the footpath. Got it? Question number 9. The cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with a fence. So we have to put a fence around at the rate of 75 paise per meter is rupees 300. If the length of the garden is 120 meters, find the area of the field in the square meters. The length of the garden is 120 meters. We don't know the width. Okay. For finding the area, we need to know the width and the length. Length into width is the area of a rectangle. Now, we are the cost of fencing. How do you get the cost of fencing? Meter multiplied by rate per meter, you get the total cost of fencing. You get total cost of fencing. So let us put the values here. Now perimeter is twice length plus width. Into rate, it is 75 paise per meter. So 75 paise per meter is this one. So 75 paise we can write as 75 by 100, convert into rupee, is equal to total cost, which is 300. So this two, we can simplify 250s are, again 25 twos and 25 threes are. So let length is, which is given as 120 and the width is W. Let us keep it over here. And this 3 upon 2 moves here, 300 into 2 by 3. So 3 ones are and 3 hundreds are. So we get this as 200. Now width is equal to 200 minus 120, which is 80 meters is the width of this rectangle. And now we can find the area of the field. Okay. So we get area of field is equal to length times width. So length is 120 and width we just found out, which is 80. So 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96. 9600 square meter is the width of the area of the field. Got it? Last question of today's video. The width of the rectangular room is 4 by 7 of its length x and its perimeter is y. Write an equation connecting x and y. So width of the rectangular room is 4 by 7. So if the length is given as x, so you have length is equal to x and width is equal to 4 by 7x. And then the perimeter, we know that twice length plus width is equal to perimeter. So twice x plus 4 by 7x is equal to perimeter, which is given as y. So let us simplify this. We get 7, take the LCM, 7x plus 4x is 11x. 2 times 11 by 7x is equal to y. So we get 22x is equal to 7y. So this is an equation that we got in terms of x and y. Find the length of the room when the perimeter. So length of the room, that is x, when the perimeter is 44. So let us put the value 22 times x is equal to 7 times 4400, which is the perimeter. Y value is perimeter. So this is y. So you get x is equal to 7 times 4400 divided by 22. 22 twos are 44. So we get 200 over here. And then 7 into 200, we get 1400 is the centimeter, is the length of this rectangular room. So if you have to convert into meter, this is nothing but 14 meters. Got it? So children, if you like the video and if it is helpful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.